Hi! Welcome back to another exciting video from Financial Guts. This video will make you bite your nails as this is gonna drive your excitements to a high level. You should understand what does it mean that Google is taking over the AI world. Let's start the game, bro.
Go to Google's search bar and type Google Bard. Click on the first search result and here you are on the main page. It's interesting, by the way. So let's meet Bard, your creative and helpful collaborator, here to supercharge your imagination, boost your productivity and bring your ideas to life. Bard is an experiment and may give inaccurate or inappropriate responses. You can help make the Bard better by leaving feedback. From where will you access this? Click on this Try Bard button. Here you have some terms and privacy policy. Read it full and then accept to continue. Click on I agree if you are willing to accept the terms. After this, we have this interface with a disclaimer. You can check in or out of this box as you wish and then click continue. The interface looks similar to ChatGPT but is more sleek and compact. Here are a few try prompts that you can test. But we will write our own prompt to understand it better. Let's see how it turns out. So I have planned to ask Google about SEO-related queries. I will type how to search keyword to rank on Google using Google Bard. See, it's working. And here we have the output. Well, the results are not what I expected. It is just explaining that what kind of keywords I can search and will be helpful. So, it says that I can use long-tail keywords, keywords relevant to content, keywords in demand, keywords with good readability score, and keywords consistent with my brand. In the next part it do explain that how I will search keywords, but I am not gonna experiment this at the moment. Well, let's read still what it says. Go to the Google Bard website and click on the Start button. Type in a keyword or phrase that you want to rank for. Click on the Search button. Google Bard will generate a list of keywords that are relevant to your research. Review the list of keywords and select the ones that you want to use. Use the keywords in your website content, titles, and meta descriptions. Optimize your website for the keywords that you have selected. By following these tips, you can use Google Bard to find the right keywords to rank on Google. If you like this answer, like it or dislike it. You can export the chat and can also Google the topic. From here, you can copy or report the text. I will try another prompt as well. I will use it to write me a YouTube video script. Let's see how it turns out. See, I am asking it to compare itself with ChatGPT and blow its own trumpet. Let's go! The script is ready. It has an intro, body, and conclusion. I liked the structure, by the way. After introducing both softwares, it is saying why to choose one over the other. It stated 3 reasons like Google Bard is accurate, more creative and more helpful than ChatGPT. Let me tell you one more interesting thing about Google Bard. Here it goes. It not only generates helpful content but also gives you 3 free versions and you can choose any of them. Have a look at each version so you can understand this better. In version 2, you have the similar structure but use of some different terminologies. The things explained in previous versions are summarized here while the summaries there are elaborated here. Otherwise it's all the same. The third version is so similar to the first one. These things interest me more than any other. It gives you 100% updated information. ChatGPT had this flaw that its database was restricted to the year 2021. You can get rid of this by using Google Bard. Well, I would like to thank you Google for this. Okay, we can move ahead. Let's reset the chat and explore the other features. Well, why not test Google for the latest information? Let me ask you who won the Turkey elections 2023. Wow! That's amazing! It is telling the updated information. It means you can trust Google Bard. Oh man! What else you need more to know? Isn't it enough? This is mind-blowing. I would definitely use Google from now on. There are more tests to be taken from you Google Bard, and here I go. To check the plagiarism, I will use pre-post SEO. It is a free plagiarism checker. Let's copy the text and paste it in the plagiarism checker. It is 100% unique content. Unbeatable quality content by Google Bard. What else you expect from such a free version? I am feeling too excited and want to try one more prompt. Let me ask it about NASA's June 2023 plans. The results have been generated. Wait, look, we have pictures in here. It means it can beat ChatGPT4 as well. RIP ChatGPT. If I go the drafts, there are several versions of the same content. Well, it does contain some false information like ChatGPT but still is reliable and I wouldn't stress on this as it is just released, and is in the testing phase. All the versions are equally helpful. Let's now end this prompt trial session and explore what is in the menu tab. Go to Bard Activity. From here, you can manage your Bard search activity. You can pause this as well and can delete the searches also. One last thing to mention is that if you are comfortable with dark mode, you can switch from here. Google Bard is a complete software in itself. You should give this a try and never underestimate its worth.